Hi again. Uh, I don't have slides. I'm just going to give you a glimpse of what I hacked upon for 2 days. Frappe calendar. So, because of Frappe UI, we have a really nice calendar component that was contributed by Ritvik, then improved by Sharik, and then I get to use it to build Frappe calendar. So you have the usual. So I showed. So when I worked on this and I showed it to Umair, and he didn't find what was he didn't know what I was showing him. So I said this is Frappe calendar, not Google Calendar. So you have the usual week view, day view, month view. I'm switching the views using keyboard shortcuts. Uh, we have uh, event details. You can create an event, create all the events. Okay, demo is working. So yeah, that's a short demo. We have basic CRUD operations. This, as you can see, the from the link, it is on frappemail.com. So it works with the Frappe Mail server. So it works with any CalDev server. In this case, it is working with Stalwart calendar server. Quickly, I want to create an event with Suhail, and a calendar also needs a video meeting, right? So
Hi Faris. Hi everyone. I am Muhammed Suhail. I am an engineer at Frappe, and this is something that we are very proud to show off. It is something that we've been building for like a couple months now as a part of our de-googling effort. So it will be just a small demo. Uh, half the part of the demo is already what you've seen now. So currently we just have like very few future features. We have like multi-party conferencing. At the moment, it's just two of us, but it's like in very high quality. Other than that, we have screen sharing. I'll just do a small screen sharing just to show it off. Um, yeah, you can share your screen or your tab depending on the browser you are using. But yeah, um, that's all for the demo. Um, all right. Let's just give me a second. Hi everyone once again. So yeah, once again I'm Suhail. I came here on the stage just to share my story on how I actually ended up building Frappe Meet. So I was a Frappe cloud engineer for a couple years now. Um, so I'm still part of the team because I have to serve my 2 month notice period, right? so um, so yeah, I've been part of Frappe Cloud team, and things were going well, but quoting Rishabh's words, I wasn't thriving in Frappe Cloud team. So as per Frappe tradition, what did I do? I was thinking of building something new. But no, it's not Frappe Meet. Um, I really like the team that I was in. It's very close to my heart, the Frappe Cloud team. So I was thinking maybe I'll do a product that was very attached to Frappe Cloud itself. I had some brainstorming sessions with some of the members, with Rushabh. But one fine day, I had a chat with Rushabh once again. He pitched this idea that maybe you should build a video conferencing tool. Now, this is not a new thing that he pitched to me. He actually pitched that same idea to me right after I joined. I think it was like 3 days in, he pitched like, "Hey, why don't you build something that is very new?" Because I had some exposure to building a video conferencing app using WebRTC, different story. But so he saw that and he thought like, might as well do that, right? But being the new guy, like I was a fresher back then, I was like very intimidated. Like, I'm going to, I mean, I am a, am I supposed to build a very new app um, as a part of the Frappeverse? No way, right? And then I declined that idea, but it's been there in my head for some time. And I think being there in Frappe Cloud team, I was mostly sharpening my axe, right, to cut down the tree. That is like a thing that we used to say in Frappe. Um, so, right, then he pitched that idea, and in a jiffy, it felt right to me, right? Like there is this alignment inside you where you feel like, hey, I should do this. I should really do this. And then what happened? The team that is very close to my heart, I just left the team in a jiffy, right? So yeah, that is the short story that I have to share with you. Um, there is no moral of the story or anything, but it's mostly um, do what feels right to you, right? Follow your heart. So yeah, that pretty much concludes our productivity suite, you know, keynote, and this is our updated, you know, list of productivity suite apps. Um, at the moment, you can't try Frappe Meet. It was open source for a while. Some community members, the eagle-eyed ones, have found my repo, but I made it closed source because it's very experimental at the moment. I need to make a lot of changes. So yeah, thanks everyone.